Alright, so we just got done talking to Todd. He sent us over here to what we do now is engine prep. What we have here is a Detroit diesel. Everybody asks, what do we use for our power plant in our rigs? We have the exclusivity to this engine right here from Detroit Diesel. However, we also do Cummins engines in these vehicles. Now what we do in chassis prep is we take this motor, purchase component, and we made it up over here with our transmissions. Transmissions are automatics, so similar to your car. All you got to do is push D for drive and she goes. But what we're going to do here in chassis prep is they're going to take and mate these two together to build our power plant of our fire truck. Alright, so I brought you to this frame right here in this chassis, show you a couple of different things. As you can see, this is painted red job color. That is a customer specable item. As you've seen in the past, we've shown you black. That's our base color. But what I'd also like to show you here is, remember our frame and our frame liners? You can see it here, and what it also is providing is protection for our wiring, our harnessing, any wires or tubes that run to the rear of the vehicle. So that's what they're doing here at this step. And as you can see, the engine's been dropped in, the exhaust has been placed in the vehicle, and it's getting ready for its next stage, and that's cab. Now, we've seen how the power plant gets put together. We've seen how the chassis gets put together. Let's take a look and see how they come together. So what they're doing now is they've dropped that engine and that transmission down inside the frame rails. Now we all remember the frame rails and how they were put together. We also saw how the engine and transmission was put together. These guys are actually going through the process right now of finalizing the installation of this engine transmission combination. I just got told by the guys that they're going to be moving this down the line pretty shortly here, so we're going to take a step back and we're going to see actually this truck move to the next stage in the process. What you see is they have an air chuck device over here that's going to rotate the tire. And this gentleman over here is tied to the steer gear. He's going to steer it all the way up to the next bay. So let's just hang back here and watch these guys do their job. So we've seen everything from frame up to chassis prep to engine prep, all the way down to the harnessing within our frame rails. Thank you so much for joining us here on Inside Pierce, and check back later on our website at piercemfg.com for more installments of Inside Pierce. Thank you. Have a good day.